Today I wanted to discuss arithmetic sequences. Whenever we are given a set of numbers and the common difference between them is a constant, we use this general formula. A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus open parentheses n minus 1 close parentheses times d, where A1 is the first term, n is going to be the nth term, which is also known as the general term. Then we have d, which is the common difference. Let's do an example. If you are told to find, if you are given this problem, find the 8th term of the arithmetic sequence. The sequence has 5 as its first term, 8, 11, 14. So if we are to continue this sequence, they want us to find the 8th term. Remember, we're going to use this general formula for our arithmetic sequences. So here the first term is 5. The nth term is what we're trying to find, 8. And the common difference is found by subtracting any of these two numbers together. We can do 14 minus 11. We can do 11 minus 8. We can do 8 minus 5. For this problem, I'm going to say the common difference is 8 minus 5. That gives me 3. Now plugging it into our formula here, A sub n is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 times d. Now let's plug in the numbers that we know. We know A1 is the first term, which is 5. N is what we're trying to find, the 8th term. So it's 8 minus 1 times our common difference, which we found to be 3. Remember this nice formula you learned a long time ago? PEMDAS. It comes back. So knowing that when we're making these calculations, parentheses are over exponents, exponents are over multiplication, multiplication is over division, division is over addition, and addition is over subtraction. We are going to deal with what is in parentheses first. 8 minus 1 is 7 times 3. Once again, because multiplication is over addition, we are going to say 5 plus and work with what is in parentheses. So it's 7 times 3. So our 8th term is 26. That's how we calculate arithmetic series. Now, for those who are tutoring for the first time, before you do your first tutoring lesson with a student, you need to build a relationship with that student. So you need to have a good rapport. So before you begin your lessons, you need to spend a few minutes getting to know the student. Ask them about their interests, their experiences in math, how they feel about math. Set a positive tone. Make the session comfortable, stress-free, very relaxed, and always highlight It is not perfection we are looking for, but the goal is progression. Once again, we are not looking for perfection, we are just looking for progress. So make sure the student understands that, and then if they do, you'll have a great tutoring session. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.